So have you seen the new video that Avanti have released as regards their new Evero trains? Yes, is it really true? That's what Evero means. It's now expected that they'll start rolling out from June 2024. Combined with the refurbished Pendolino sets to transform the travel between London, Euston, Hollyhead, Crewe. With more Avanti stations coming into line with these new sets later on in the year. Yes, in this new Avanti special rail roundup, we have to say that these new Bimode trains will have more seats, legroom and luggage, as well as accessible features. The Evero trains will keep you comfortable even on the longest journeys. Up to 84 seats in each coach, more table seats, perfect for travelling with your family and friends, with lots of legroom, larger luggage racks and more space for your bags between seats, and a smoother ride, a quieter ride to help you work and relax. So Avanti invested more than £300 million to bring what they call a feel-good travel to more communities across the West Coast main line, and packed with clever design features that will help a real difference to your journey. Economic seats designed around the way you sit, one plug and two USB sockets for every pair of seats, wireless charging on the tables, your own personal dimmable lights on airline style seat backs in standard, toilets with discreet entry mode for carers, live journey updates on passenger information screens throughout each coach. Switching between electric and diesel, these Bimode versions will principally operate on the North to North Wales route, while electric trains will be focused between London and the West Midlands of Liverpool. Now there'll be a total of 6 Evero Class 805s, and this will initially be used on each weekday. The remainder of the fleet will be introduced on the network in due course. The £350 million fleet will be maintained at Alstom's Oxley Depot in the West Midlands and will work alongside the Pendolino trains, which have recently undergone the largest ever upgrade of its kind in the UK with a £170 million investment. So big news, great news for you Avanti or Pendolino or 805 special spotters. It is a massive investment that's coming to the West Coast main line from Avanti. And what I want to know is, have you been spotting these new Evero sets? Is it true around the West Coast main line? And if you have, don't forget to share them on your railway community so we can all see those sets bustling around the network. But now we are going to skip straight to a Your Turn special, where I've cherry picked the best of Avanti, the Evero sets that you've been spotting on and off the rails. Without your help, these channels simply would not exist. And this goes towards the expense, the time, and obviously the fuel to create any of the content across the Nodrog channels. Everything is much appreciated and every penny goes just to the channels. So if you want to support the channels, look in the description area down below for the relevant links, or just type nodrog.uk and look for the membership page. So what are your thoughts as regards these new Evero sets? Are they just generic looking like the rest of the similar sets that are running on the network? Or do you think these are going to stand out from the crowd and set the standard on the rails compared to those other brothers and sisters that are using a similar service? Have you got an opinion? Of course you know what to do. Let us know in the comment extra area down below. And well done to you, Owen, for winning photo of the show. And if you can work out where Phil is, again, please put your answers in the comment section area down below. So there you go, that was my Avanti Rail Roundup special. There is talk, I'm working with Alstom's, to maybe get into one of the depots, either in Liverpool or Manchester, to do a very special video for you, hopefully coming soon. I'll be filming it next month. And I can share my experience with you and get to know a little bit more up close and personal with what Avanti get up to at these depots. And again, like I've said before, these videos are only possible because of your support through the Patreon or the YouTube membership. And if you can pledge as little as 99p or whatever you can do, then please find the link in the description area down below. And it helps fund not only my time to liaise and organise these trips, but also to get there as well. So if you can do that, honestly, love to you all. I really appreciate it. Let's try and get this channel back to how it used to be. That would be so great, wouldn't it? Right, so we got some good news going to the East Coast main line here with LNERs, aren't we, really, I suppose, in a certain respect, if you will. Great news for Flying Scotsman, that the National Railway Museum have announced that the new custodian will be the Stockton-on-Tees, which is based Northern Steam Operations Limited, a contract that will run until January 2032. Now, this contract comprises of 30 static day events with 15 heritage railway visits and 20 mainline excursions days each year, as the locomotive is also now expected to visit locomotion in Shildon this summer, which I will be talking about more as time goes on. Flying Scotsman fans out there will be pleased as punch to know that there's now a new custodian looking after the Flying Scotsman. Right, so this week's special spotters, I've decided that we're going to go, for me anyway, down south. Unless you live in France, it's up north. These are going to be a pair of 47, some diesel action that's going to be travelling through Southampton and across the beautiful New Forest to Bournemouth, where around 4 hours will be available to enjoy the elegant seaside resort with 7 miles of golden sands, a vast variety of shops and beautiful award-winning gardens. Or you can alight at Poole, where they offer a break of around 3 hours with its bustling quay and stunning natural harbour, where are beautiful views across to the Isle of Purbeck. The last destination around 2 hours stop will be the ancient seaside town of Weymouth, and was the favourite haunt of King George III, with historical buildings and Georgian seafront. A modern town centre complemented by quaint side streets, all of which is connected by over 3 miles of level promenade. As usual, these special spotters are purely chosen from myself because it's to get you out on the rails safely, to try and create some content, and you can share this again with your railway community. As usual, I'll put the links to anything I talk about in the description area down below. Somewhere from them links you will find the timings, if they're not being displayed on this video, for you to get yourself line side safely at stations wherever you go. Nice little hotspots. Share them with us as well, so you can get the content that you really want for a pair of 47s that will be travelling around the New Forest to Bournemouth. Good luck and enjoy. Yes, that's it. It's just a brief one this week because I'm actually quite uber busy with a few of the jobs, but I had to bring this one out to you as regards a special for Avanti Evero, the new Evero fleet. The new Evero fleet, £350 million worth of investment, trains running across the northwest. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. As you probably noticed, a slight lack of sound. Sorry about last week. They sounded all right in these tin cans. I'm not too sure what happened when they uploaded to video. It's happened before, but I think I need to invest myself in a new pair of these, so I do apologise. Please stick with it. But anyway, regardless of that, thank you for your patience and your support, and everyone else who's contributed to this week's show. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ta-ra.